Good afternoon and welcome back to another video, and this time it's on the Icom IC 2730 VHF UHF analog radio only, no digital on this radio. So what do you get in the box? Well, you get in the radio, you get in the head and you get in the mounting bracket, but sadly you do not get the faceplate, which is at the back of the head, which connects to the radio. That is an optional extra. It's called an MBA4 and they're around between £45 and £58 depending on where you go. If any club member can make their own bracket, I do have the head screws. I have 100. I am happy to give some head screws away completely free to club members if you can fabricate your own back bracket. So the display is 4 inches across. It's about 1.25 inches high. Nice, clear, crisp screen. And it's 50 watts on VHF and 50 watts on UHF if you're a full license holder. So it does everything. Now the best thing is about this radio, when you're searching for a repeater, it will actually find the tone for you. So you don't have to worry about the shift. You put the shift in, but the tone, 82.5, 103.5, 71.5, it will find it. If somebody's on that repeater, it will find the tone and save it for you. So we'll quickly have a look at the radio and see what it does. So it has a monitor button on the front, as you can see there. If you press it, if you want to hear, you can hear a weak signal. Your low, medium and high. Press and hold it and it becomes your DTMF text if you want to do that. It'll come out of that. If you press and hold the monitor button, it says off. It's your duplex. You've got minus, plus and off. To come back out, just press that. Now you've got your memory write key when you're writing memories, and the menu key. So let's have a look at the menus and see what they're like. So we'll start with menu. You've got the tone. To enter the tone, press the arrow key and you've got tone, tone squelch and then off. Your offset, quite simple. Press the enter key and it's there. Receiving tone, I'm sure you all know what that's about. Code, DTCF, TS, that's a tuning cycle, 12.5 Hertz. The light goes from 4, that's the lowest. You can still read it, it's nice and clear. To 4, I have it on 4, it doesn't go past 4. But it's a really nice, easy radio to use. The letters are about 1 inch tall, if that helps you. Priority channels, pause, resume, your mode. Now the mode, this radio comes in FM and FM narrow. So for me, FM is a little bit sharp on my voice, so I alter it to FM narrow. Gives it a more fully bodied audio sound. To enter that, FM, FM narrow. There's only 2 choices. I have it in FM narrow. And then you've got your home channel if you want to set the home channel. Extended menu. Right. You'll have to read on the manual on this. I'm quickly just going to go through it. Your duplex tone, scan, your function, your display. Now when you're programming repeaters, you need to go to this menu. And you enter it so you can have, and I just pressed the wrong button, and it's to save the name on the repeaters. So on the display you have to have the display name on. It actually comes shipped from the manufacturer with it off. So to find that, you will go to, come out of that. So you go to the extended menu, you hit enter, and you go to display, enter, and it says there name. You have to make sure the name is on, and that means when you program the repeaters in, the name will show up and not the frequency. So we will come out of that, and there's your airband. So we'll go back and let's have a look. So for the repeaters, I've already programmed them in. You can see PZ.
Golf 0. So that's 2E0 Echo Golf 0. Over.
And that is somebody on GB3CR on a link coming in, which is now a multi-mode link.
Mike 6 Golf Alpha Golf. I've got 2E0.
Nice crisp clean audio on the radio. Quite impressed with the radio's audio. And I've gone all the way through. Now I've got to say, compared to a Yaesu, I've had the 300, I've had the FTM 400, 7250, an 8900, an 8800, a 7900, and the airband receive on this radio is really, really good. And it'll also shift down, I think it's a 6.25 kHz spacing or 8.25, whichever it is for airband. But it's really, really good. So if you're on this side, the main one, and you're speaking, it will mute the other band and vice versa. And we'll go back to VFO by clicking the middle button. And there we go. And I'll just see if there's anybody on. Very unusual if anybody is on. That's the link again. But sadly, there's nobody on 2 meters, which is a shame, really. That's the same link. But I'll leave it on 145.375, just in case anyone comes on, but I doubt it. Nobody's normally on during the day, it's only the nets of a night. And I normally leave it on there. So overall, a very good radio. Downsides now, it does have a noisy fan. I'm just going to take it below the band. It is connected into a dummy load. I don't know if you can hear that fan. I wouldn't say it's noisy, but it might get on your nerves. But it's a very, very good radio. It's an easier radio to use. So if you're just starting out and you're looking for a good 270, these are £289. And that's a steal, because you're going to pay $199 for a TYT 8900 or a Wuxen mobile. So if you stretch to the other £10, it is extra from a Wuxen KG-UV 950LP, I think it is. 279. This is 289. It's worth the tenner just for the name Icom. You're going to get a far better receiver. TYT, good radio, not had one, but you only get 12 months warranty. This radio, you're getting 2 years warranty out of the box. You know it works. It's a well-known brand. But thoroughly like the radio. I'll give you a little bit of a walkthrough. Now you can set the squelches by here, on this little dial here. And if you want to just check where they are, you don't have to turn them up. Just feather touch it. S1 on that side. That's on S7 because somebody's always on there. But yes, that is the Icom 2730. It's a short video, but there you go. I hope you've enjoyed it. 7.3, enjoy your day.